Hi everyone, we're here with Dr. Sherry Taylor. She is a licensed acupuncturist and herbalist, and she's local to Arizona. She has a clinic in Scottsdale, and we're here today with her because we'd like to get her point of view on the Wisdom Series, in particular to Dr. Xiao's coming up.
Thanks, Sophia. Thanks for having me. I'm happy to be here just to share my perspective as a professional taking these Wisdom Series classes. I have taken them in the past, and I look forward to taking Dr. Xiao's class upcoming here soon.
Awesome, awesome. So first question I have is, as an acupuncturist and herbalist, why do you think this class with Dr. Xiao on the classical formulas would benefit you in your practice?
Well, I think anytime we can learn from a clinician or expert in the field from China, it's a great opportunity as an American practitioner to learn from them. I'm really excited. I've taken these classes in the past, and the clinical pearls that I've gotten from these classes have been invaluable to my practice, and it's been a great benefit. So I'm looking forward to see what Dr. Xiao has to say about these classical formulas.
Awesome. My next question would be, since some of the formulas that are shown in these seem to be pretty simple and straightforward, could you give us an idea of how this would be different than, say, just looking up in the Materia Medica?
Yeah, so these 4 formulas are classical formulas. They seem simple, but in textbook, but that's our foundation. But what we present, or what people present in clinic, are not so textbook. So these are very simple but yet complex formulas that treat complex conditions of mixed patterns of hot and cold and yin and yang. And so Dr. Xiao is able to break down those complex patterns into very detailed, simple, like patterns, but also signs and symptoms that fit that formula. This you can't get in a textbook. And then also part of the discussion, he'll add some modifications or even some other formulas that might be able to be used in conjunction with those. So the patterns are very complex, but yet Dr. Xiao breaks them down in a very simple and easy, concise way to use in our clinic.
Awesome. Mm-hmm. So my last question is, do these formulas address what you see in clinic?
I do see these patterns in clinic. I've used all 4 formulas in my clinic. The patterns have been a variety of heat above, cold below, cold in the intestines, liver, gallbladder heat, all correspond to some GI conditions or parasites or a variety of things that are seen with chronic illness. So any more that I can learn to make the diagnosis a little easier with such a complex patient is invaluable. So I'm looking forward to seeing what Dr. Xiao has to say.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for your input. Guys, the first webinar starts February 17th, and they're every Saturday, 4 sessions. So you will get 12 CEU'S total, and these are approved by NCCAOM California Board. Thank you very much.
Thanks.